Oh, nigga, you gay.
Yeah! We got leveling
I
rewards.
don't even know it, so I can't.
Wait.
What if I could, but I
Damn.
just can't.
I mean...
By the way,
what?
Jerry is gonna be next.
What? Oh, was he? Wait,
Yeah.
fucking... Hold you.
How was that?
After more fake reviews were posted on Amazon, they began
I think there should be like a test for brain rot, like whenever you're signing up for a job or some stuff, right? I just ask for it, I quit.
Personally, I feel like the best way to see if an earthquake is over is by observing whether or not
I'm gonna shoot someone.
Resolved. And ultimately, there's a 4-year-long investigation into Don's shady.
Hey, can I be in a relationship with you? And you know what? What did you?
Rich kid who doesn't think he's rich, drives a brand new BMW to school, tries to relate to your problems, but is so out of touch with the struggle, he just comes off as pretentious.
Dude, I think I have to go back to the foster home.
Yo, give me a sec. I'm fighting Vin Diesel if he was the size of a baby. This AI stuff is getting wild. Because some bitch is lying about me? Oh, I was heated. So drunk me thought, what is the meanest thing I could do right now? I could call it some basic insult like pun.
People can't join.
Oh, I have to go out. Okay then. Look at this.
You have to go.
No, I said I had to go up. But that's terrible. Cause
What is that? Yeah.
if I beat this, I'm putting this on
won.
my YouTube channel as a bonus clip. I can't see.
You've been getting what?
I just can't see. Just start spinning. It was 62. There you go.
I'm not gonna lie, I love making these type of videos. It's like the...
Hey guys, this is Carlos. Oh shit. Oh no.
Turns out the girl who originally posted in the video, she didn't give me...
We're darker than this video. Go on.
Hey guys, this is Carlos, and today I'm going to show you my new haircut. Let's show you 2 more times. Now, one more time. I showed you my haircut, and bye.